Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add music to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and then give it a click. Once you do that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So once in the dashboard, here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. So here, go all the way down and then click on Edit Site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically the Wix website editor. So once loaded, this is how it will look like. And then if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, in order to add music, go to Add Elements. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find all of these options. You can add a text element, image, button, strip, decorative, box, and so on. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find video and music. So go to video and music. As you can see, guys, here it's divided by two. Here you're going to find the video. And then here you're going to find the music elements. So right now, go to music and then search for the music element that you want. For example, I'm going to add this one. In order to add it, either you can give it a click or just drag it like this. Once you add it, just wait for this to finish, and then this is how it will look like. So once you added it, just give it a click, and then here you can manage your music. Just click on Manage Music, and after that, you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, you can create an album, create a single, or create a playlist. Also here, you're gonna find the settings right here. So once you finish adding your music, don't forget to save your changes. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.